...2018 18 plate Ford Ranger WILDTRAK 3.2. We have 4 superb 20-inch American racing alloy wheels with brand new Yokohama all-terrain tyres. We also have colour-coded arches all round, Raptor style front grille, daylight running side lights, front and rear parking sensors, and there's a look at another alloy wheel. We also have side steps on either side, roof bars, black window trim as well as privacy glass, and there's a look at another alloy wheel. And there's a look at the colour-coded wide arch kit. Again, we have front and rear parking sensors with rear reversing camera, Ranger and WILDTRAK decals on the back, as well as tow bar there as well. And under the floor badge we do have the rear reversing camera. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches and does look superb from every angle. And there's a look at the last alloy wheel. There's a quick glimpse at the side step as well. Going to the back, we have half leather and half fabric rear seats with ISOFIX points, pull down leather armrests with 2 nice sized cup holders. We also have storage behind the driver and passenger seat. We have electric windows with a leather trim just there as well. Going to the front of the car, there's a look at the driver's half leather, half fabric front seat, which is also electric and heated. We also have the WILDTRAK just stitched in there as well. We have electric windows, again with the leather trim and integrated speakers. Jumping inside the car, we do have auto lights, foot on the brake, turn the key. Now this vehicle has done just over 25,000 miles and is free from any warning lights on the dash. We do have a multifunction steering wheel with cruise control and speed limiter. We also have electric power folding wing mirrors. Going to the centre, we have satellite navigation, as well as audio connectivity, which is DAB radio, and we have climate, and we have phone connectivity, navigation again, mobile apps that you can download. Then we have all these different settings. We also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto just there as well. We can also change the colour of the ambient lighting for a range of different colours. I'll just go back off that. We have dual zone climate control, which works just as you would expect it to, and is displayed just on the screen just there. And again, same for the drivers. We also have 2 heated front seats, which makes all the difference for those cold winter mornings, and they do heat up very fast. With 2 12-volt connectivities with 2 USB ports just down there. We also have parking sensors, traction control, rear diff lock, and downhill ascent assist. We have 2-wheel drive high, 4-wheel drive high, and also 4-wheel drive low. 2 nice sized cup holders with soft touch leather armrests with storage in there as well. And there's a look at the passengers, half leather, half fabric seat, again with WILDTRAK stitched in there as well. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with fresh service, new MOT, we do offer competitive low finance. Now this vehicle is VAT free as well, but that's it from me, so thank you very much for watching. Video test drive of this 2018 Ford Ranger WILDTRAK 3.2. Now the purpose of this video is to show the vehicle drives as it should, and as you can see, I'm out of the top height of the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line. We have cruise control and speed limiter on the right hand side of the multifunction steering wheel. You can also put the car into manual mode by pushing the gear stick to the right. So to go down a gear, simply push away from you, and it will change down, so I'm in 4th, and I go up to 5th, into 6th, push back to the left to let the car take back over. We do have very comfortable half leather, half fabric seats, which you can easily do 2, 3, even 400 miles in this vehicle. You can still get on feeling fresh. So right now, I'm coming to the roundabout. I'm going to take a left, as you would if you were driving this vehicle today. As well as the seats being really comfortable, they're also heated. So for those cold winter mornings, it does make all the difference, as they do heat up very fast. We have satellite navigation, as well as DAB radio, phone connectivity, as well as media connectivity. We also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We also have rear reversing camera, so if you can't see over the rear bed, you have the camera there to assist you. We have 2 12-volt connectivities, as well as 2 USB connectivities, so you can always charge whatever you need to charge. Here at RS Car Sales, we've been doing deliveries past 3-4 years now. And with the COVID-19 situation, many businesses have struggled. See, us on the other hand, we feel like quite well prepared. Before, we did nationwide next day delivery, now do contactless nationwide next day delivery. We also sanitize our hands and the keys before we get to any vehicle, just to ensure your safety and ours. We do have Facebook, Instagram and YouTube, so feel free to follow us on either platforms just to stay up to date with everything RS Car Sales. We are a 5-star dealership with 300 5-star reviews on Google, Autotrader and Car Gurus. And if you read the reviews, our customers really do illustrate the fact of how good we are to buy for and how caring of a company we actually are. So right now, I'm coming up to the industrial estate. I'm going to take a right, I'm going to perform an emergency stop and put it straight into reverse, just show you the brakes work as they should, and so does the rear, front and rear parking sensors and rear reversing camera. So if you keep an eye on the screen just there, you'll see the rear reversing camera working as it should. So pulling in now, and hard on the brakes, straight into reverse, no issues whatsoever. Back into drive, again, no issues whatsoever. And that little noise you just heard, moving around, was just a little key for the rear bed. If you haven't answered all of your questions in the test drive video and walk around video, please feel free to get in contact. We can do a FaceTime video, we can walk around the car and show you bits that we may have missed, and also answer questions that we may not have answered. But that's it for me, so thank you very much for watching.